everybody's moving to voice over internet protocol phone lines, and one of the big complaints about that is power cuts. If there's a power cut, you're not going to be able to dial 999 in Britain or 111 in other places. So I recently found out, oh, there's Stumble saying something. What? Cats want me to go and play with her. I recently found out that you can get a battery backup for it. We were with BT, but BT's moved to EE. It's the same company, but they're just putting all the phones onto the EE brand. So we've got new routers, new Wi-Fi booster. And the second conversation I had with them was about line speed, because it was a lot less than it used to be. But turned out they weren't telling the truth, funnily enough, on the previous things. That's the cat asking me to play with her again. So, in that conversation, a chap in Belfast, it came out that the phone companies will give you a battery backup, which is in this box, if you are registered disabled, seriously disabled, with your local authority. So if you're in Scotland and you were on a long power cut, the police would come and check you're okay, which they do with me. So anyway, he checked his list and it turns out I qualified for a battery backup. So we're going to open up this box and see what's inside it. If Tumble will give us peace for a minute. Tumble's the cat. So, they don't tell you, you've got to ask. Get in this box somehow. Just thought we'd have a look together. Did this camera work? This is purely to provide power for emergency service on a long power cut. If you did use it for phone calls, it wouldn't last long, he said. Oh, here's Tumble, look, she loves a box. Typical cat. It's a box, she'll be in it. Oh, and it's just about the size she likes as well. What's up, Tumble? Let me get this thing out. What is it with cats in boxes? See, what's this awkward to get out? It's quite heavy. Right, I'll give Tumble the box and we'll get peace. She'll be in it in this flat second. Right, so there we go. It's quite a chunk of a battery. So this, you plug this into your mains and then it plugs into your router. As far as I'm aware. And that provides you with, it's got an alarm, cold start, that's for, I'll have to read instructions. This is more information on the fact you get when that's in the box. So you have your mains there, what's in here? It's just a lawnmower battery that's in here. It's handy if I need a battery for my lawnmower. Voltage it will be. Let's have a look. It says here lead acid battery may cause chemical hazards. It's a lead acid battery, so there's no worries about being lithium and burning your house down. What does that say? This battery backup will beep under certain conditions. One long beep lets you know the main supply has failed and the battery backup is running on battery. 4 short beeps in a row every minute means battery is close to being flat. 1 short beep every 15 minutes means the battery has reached the end of its life and needs replacing. For more help, go to bt.com help, digital voice, or call us on 0800 800 150. So that's come from BT, but they've moved us to EE. Oh, it's got wall mountings as well. You can fix it to the wall. It's just need to charge that before we set it in. So it's just to let you know that you can get a backup for your VoIP, voice over internet protocol, free if you're registered. Seriously disabled, the man said, but I think it's just disabled, with your local authority. So there must be a list they can check. So there's something they don't tell you.